Hey guys, it's just me. I just want to give a quick update. The hurricane was more east of us, but now it's moving west, which is getting closer to us. So, if for some reason I'm not up or answering anybody, it's because power outage or if it gets any closer, maybe have to leave. I'm not sure. They did issue a state of emergency, but that's common. That's a common thing that they do. And it is, I'm gonna post a picture right here. You guys can see that the hurricane is gonna go up the coast there, so we'll see what happens. I just want to give everybody an update. We'll be fine, I'm sure. There's no problems. I'm just upset because you'll see later on in the video my husband just left today to go overseas, and he was going to stay, and I told him no, just go ahead and go. We'll be fine. So it was really hard for him to go and leave us because he's worried about us, but I told him we'll be fine. If I have to, I'll leave, you know. But I'm sure everything will be fine. But I just want to give you guys an update, and I wanted to show you what I was seeing now. It was more west, but excuse me, more east, but now it keeps coming more west. So we'll see what happens, and it shows you where it's going to be. Thursday and Friday is the most worrying time. So we'll see what's going on, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Hey guys, once again I'm in the car with my husband. This time we are on our way to the airport. I'm not going into the airport. We're just dropping him off. He's driving, but I'm just going to drop him off. But when he returns, I'm going to go into the airport, and I'll be able to video some in there. But I will video a little bit of driving up to the airport so you guys can see what it looks like. So, yep, he's going to be gone for a little bit. So party at my house. Here we go. We've exited off for the airport. It's going to be a little shaky because I'm holding the phone, guys. I thought that's a pretty view. Actually, I don't like the curve. Sorry about it being so shaky. It's hard to hold it. I think we're Terminal B usually. I don't remember. We're not going to park in a parking garage because I'm just dropping them off. Yep, Delta is on B, as you can see over here. It'll say Delta. This is a little bit interesting to you guys. It might not be interesting at all, but if you've never been here, this is MCO. It used to be called OIA. It is in Orlando, Florida. Husband's little girl knew he was leaving. She started crying when he started packing his suitcase. It was weird. She knew it. She was whimpering. So that broke his heart. He wasn't worried about me though, trust me. He was only worried about her. He gave her some snacks when he left, and that made her a little bit happy. So I hope you can see this. The sun is out. This place is a maze, especially if you've never been here before. I mean, we've been here before, but if you haven't been, it could be so confusing getting in and out. To go up. Get out here though. You just have to go up. Just park at Delta and go up. If you want to do that. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop for right now. I'm just gonna on a video. I'm not gonna get any people in there though. I'm just gonna get the other part of it. Keep the people out because there's not that many people here now, so I can do it. At the Mexican restaurant. Can you be? You're gonna be in the video? And introducing my beautiful mommy. Oh, there she is. Isn't she beautiful? There's my mommy. Yes. We're at the Mexican restaurant. I finally have lunch with somebody on my video, so there's my drink. Get chips. They make them fresh here and freshly made salsa. And I'll show you what we're getting for lunch in a little bit. There's vegetable tortilla. My beautiful mommy area. Good. Here's what I got. Chicken fajita salad. That looks so delicious.
Oh, they have just sorts of irrigation. Yeah. Sometimes I just get sick. Just because I work from home doesn't mean I don't work. Well, I don't have a story to tell about one of my students. You know what I'm saying? So I thought actually. His hobby was grow tulips.
Whatever, you just put whatever right there, Grandma. Just put whatever you don't want right there on the broccoli, but try it. Might not be too bad for you.
He's kind of like Switzerland. He's just kind of like he's a little child type thing. No legs.
How's everything?
It's very good, thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, he doesn't take you. He doesn't take a lot of crap out there. He gives it. I'm sure. Oh my God. Is your hospital like settling down? Oh yeah. The accreditation is perfect.
It's as far as it goes. Sorry. The salad's so good. Nice chicken fajita.
You guys need Undercover Boss that would have done the same thing. For a lot cheaper.
A little bit rice in there and some peanuts.
I'm serious. Kind of like me when I went in there. And then wrote the 3-page letter to what you call it. The CEO. You did get a reply, right?
Is it good?
I mean, that's what you need. Is you need somebody to like a.
It's starting to look really bad outside. Very windy.
It's not really a lot of time. It's right now.
Oh no. Our last meal.
How is everything so far?
It's very good. Thank you. Thank you.
Everything good today?
Sorry it's so noisy in here, everybody, but I hope at least get to see some of the food.
I think most of the vegetables home, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Because when we first got here,
Yeah.
we had a rooster back here.
You can even get your own fajitas and add it to it.
Yes.
And just so oh, you can't go here because it's not a rooster doctor. I'm like, I said, you can't look in my ear and tell me what your nose so we laughed the whole time. I said, I'm not dealing with a rooster doctor because you said, and it was like,
With the carrots, we say, because I can't eat the
Mm-mm.
Huh? No? Okay.
oh, really?
Too hot. I could just buy them some more.
Yeah. Yeah. Or,
When they get soft.
mm-hmm.
Working hard to increase your reputation, which is good.
I'm sorry I can't show the food more, but my phone won't tilt down any further.
I can see
Right now I'm outside of the restaurant. You guys can see how dark the clouds are getting. Today is only Tuesday, and it is like really, really bad weather outside. It's horrible out there. And we're not going to get hit till at least Thursday or Friday. I'm going to try to post this today as I'm actually doing it, but it's all trying to be rainy and windy. There's the water straight ahead. I just thought you guys would enjoy seeing that. But yeah, it doesn't look nice out. It's really dark up here. The dark, dark skies up there. Hey guys, sorry, just one last thing. I want to give a couple shout outs. I want to say hello to Kristen Lush, Monica from Australia, and Peng Yang. I hope I said those all right. I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and thank you so much everybody for watching. Bye bye.